Students, today we see the temperature. So definition of temperature, that measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance is known as its temperature. So in our day-to-day life, we come across a number of objects. Some of them are hot and some of them are cold. How do we decide which one is hot and which one is cold? We use the tip of our finger to find out whether the tea in a cup has enough heat or not. So sometimes this measuring is not correct. That time we use the thermometers to measure temperature accurately. That's clear? Next, SI unit. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Celsius and Fahrenheit are also the units of temperature. That's clear? Next topic, heat and temperature. The difference between heat and temperature. There are two differences there. First one is temperature is related to how fast the atoms or molecules move or vibrate within the substance. But heat not only depends on the temperature of the substance but also depends on how many molecules are there in the object. That means temperature is depend only the movements of molecules within the substance. But heat depends how many molecules are there in the objects. So this is the first difference. And second difference is temperature measures the average kinetic energy of molecules. But heat measures the total kinetic energy of the molecules. Okay, temperature measures the average kinetic energy, but heat measures the total kinetic energy. So this is the difference between heat and temperature. So next, heat and internal view. So substance are made up of molecules. Substance are made up of molecules. Molecules in any object or in a state of vibration or movement. This cannot be seen without our naked eyes. This movement we can't see. So first one solid and second one liquid and third one gas. Next, when substance are heated, the vibration and the movement are increasing after heating. So after heat means there is no change in weight and the heat will flow one molecules to other molecules. Heat will flow one molecules to other molecules. Next, the substance also change their states from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. They change their states. The molecules in the substance move faster when heating. When heat means the molecules movement is very fast and occupy more spaces. So comparing solid and liquid means liquid occupy more spaces. Correct? And next comparing liquid and gases means gases occupy more spaces. So substances expand when heated. Substances expand when heating. Next topic, the flow of heat. An analogy between temperature and water level. So see, the water flows when there is a difference in the levels of water in different places. The temperature of an object is like the water level only. It determines the direction in which heat will flow. So heat energy will flow high temperature to lower temperature. See one example. The object A is the higher temperature and object B is the lower temperature. After some time, so both are same. So when heat energy flows higher temperature to lower temperature, it proved. So next topic, thermal contact and thermal equilibrium. So see one example. So hot tea. So the temperature is 80 degree. The room temperature is 30 degree. So heat will transfer. Heat will transfer. So next, after 10 minutes, the hot tea temperature 30 degrees Celsius. So heat will reduce. heat will reduce after 10 minutes. So this is called thermal equilibrium. So two objects, so the definition is two to be in the thermal contact if they can exchange heat energy. If they can exchange heat energy, the first picture. But thermal equilibrium exists when two objects in the thermal contact no longer affect each other's temperature. No longer affect each other's temperature. That means temperature will change. It's not permanent. This is called thermal equilibrium. So that's clear. So next topic, expansion in solid. Expansion in solid. Do you have such experience? How do you open a tight closed cap of the pen? So which could not be opened by you normally. But most substances expand when heated. So you pour some hot water, so it will easy to open it. So most substance expand when heated. So Sam is trying to open a tight jar, but he can't open it. He asks his uncle to help. His uncle says that pour some hot water on the lid of the jar. Sam does so and tries to open it now. Wow, the jar is opened easily. So most substances expand when heated. So the definition is the expansion of a substance on heating is called the thermal expansion of that substance. So a substance when heating means it's expand. Okay, it's clear? Okay, thank you.